Hey guys, come on into my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to prepare fresh French beans. Oh yeah, these are your ingredients. We're going to go ahead and wash these French beans. Now we're going to, in the skillet, put extra virgin olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. We're going to take that over to the stove and get that oil heated up. And we're going to add those French beans to that skillet. And to those beans, we're going to add minced garlic, table grind black pepper, and sea salt. And season as per your taste. So let's get this going. We're going to use a tablespoon, just a tablespoon of butter. Now we got everything seasoned. We got our eye on medium high. We're going to cover this for the first 5 minutes, and then we're just going to let it steam in its own juices as it gets tender. Oh yeah, look at those French beans made Sheila's Creations way. If you are still thinking about it, come on over to Oh Yeah Babies and become part of our family. We're waiting for you. Oh yeah.